You want to be the same color as Beyonce, I need you to have the same color neck Beyonce got too, okay? Match your shades right. God damn it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrishelle Chevon, and today we are going to do a video to help you all stop pissing me off, okay? So this has been an ongoing issue and it just burns my soul, and it's a pet peeve of mine, but the foundation matching is just off, okay? Like, I don't understand how y'all are taking pictures with your hand by your neck on your face and 3 different colors is happening. Like, why? You don't see that? This is what I need y'all to do first of all. Match your foundation right, number 1. When you take a picture of yourself before you leave out, look at it. Is it 2 different colors? If it is, go back and start over. Or go back and put some bronzer on top of it and warm it up. Do something, but I need all this to be seamless, okay? All right. So that's what we gonna do today. We gonna learn how to match our foundation. And I was about to go buy the full bottle of Beauty Creations foundation, but I saw that they give you samples, so I was like, you know what, let's be smart, Chrishelle, and do some samples first and then go buy the full bottle. So they give you these samples for free. I think I paid like $3.99 or something like that for shipping, but either way they give you 4 shades. Like, you have to select 4 shades in order to do the sample trial, which is a good thing. So they have like a matching chart on there, kind of like a foundation that you use now, and they try to compare it to what color you would be in their brand, but I usually go lower or higher than what they suggest, because most of the times, like when I did it on Juvia's place, it was too dark, so I had to turn around and buy a lighter one. So now I got 2 foundations, 2 colors, but it worked out because I could wear one in the summer and one in the winter. But what I want y'all to understand, number 1, is you want to match your foundation to your neck or your chest. Now I say or your chest because if you're wearing low cut shirts, you want all of this to match. And you want to put the foundation on your face, bring it down to your neck, boom, it matches your chest. If you got you a regular scoop neck shirt on, or a turtleneck, you still want it to match to your neck. So that's why I say match it to your neck and your chest, okay? Now when you go in a store, which is what I also suggest if you are a first-time foundation buyer, or if you're trying a new brand, go in the store and try at least 3 colors. One that you think is your color, one that is darker, and one that is lighter, so you can get an actual range to see what's what. Also, you are 2 different colors in the winter and the summertime. The foundation that you're using in the summer, that you're using in the winter, I wouldn't suggest you using that in the summer because you're going to be lighter. Unless you're going to warm it up with some bronzer, I would get 2 different color foundations. Or you can just keep the one that you wear in the summertime and lighten it up with like a concealer that's a shade or 2 lighter than your actual color. But back to these foundations. So I got the color 8.5, which I feel is going to be too light, and then we have 9.0, which I feel might be okay, but it's neutral, and I don't really like neutral foundations because sometimes they can be chalky and ashy, so I usually go with golden foundations, like this number 10 shade, which I will probably feel more comfortable with. And then we have 10.5, which I feel is too dark. So all you want to do is go in the store and do swatches on your neck or swatches right here. Now let me tell you why you should not do them on your face. let's start there. Number one, your face is multiple colors. You see, like around my eyes, it's light. Forehead, sides, one color, and then around my mouth, darker. So, what color am I gonna pick? The color of my forehead, the color of my eyes, or my mouth? Like, which one? So, I got cotton on my face. But what you want to do is neck and chest, because your face is multiple colors. So to make it simple for yourself, and like I said, you want this to be seamless. You don't want to be putting your hand here and everybody's all these different colors. So that is why you don't want to be swatching nothing on your face. If you go in the Sephora or a department store and they get to putting stuff on your face, Chrishelle said don't do that. You don't do it. So I'm gonna take 8.5 and I'm gonna swatch it on my neck first. Now y'all know. That's a no. Let's see. My chest looking light skinned today. No. It's a no, sis. No, 8.5. Now I'm going to take 9. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm barely getting in. Okay. That's 9. Okay. All these look like I'm just swiping chalk on myself. So 8.5 and 9 is looking like no in my book. Okay, this is number 10. I'm thinking 10 is in. And we're gonna swipe 10. Did I even get anything on it? Okay. So see how you can't even see 10? That's what you want your match to be. Where it just goes and melts into your skin and nobody can even see it. See these? Boom, boom, boom. On my neck. One, chalk, chalk. Okay. And for purposes of this video, 10.5 is given chocolate. Like what? But yeah, nice little contour shade. So as you can see, which one of these has disappeared? Okay. Let me know if this makes sense to you all down in the comments. Let me know what you've been doing, which is probably swatching on your face. And yeah, go to the stores, try it out. I keep telling y'all, go in Sephora, pick the stuff up and try it out. It say tester for a reason. Test it out. Don't be swatching nothing on your hand. Don't be swatching nothing on your face. Put it on your neck or your chest. Okay? That's what you want to do. Neck, chest, bada boom, bada bam. Let's be seamless in 2020. I'm sick of y'all walking around looking crazy. Like, what are y'all doing? And then the people that want to be light skinned, y'all want to be forgetting your neck. Don't forget your neck. You want to be the same color as Beyonce. I need you to have the same color neck Beyonce got too. Okay? Match your shades right. God damn it. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video some thumbs up. Hit that bell. And I will see you all later. Toodaloo.